Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Draya Goldx, and before we get started into the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and follow all of my links that will be listed down below. The same thing, y'all know what's up. So this video is going to be a WowAfrican wig review. WowAfrican, I'm just going to show you guys the box and everything that came in and give my honest review on the hair and all that. So this is the box that it came in. It says WowAfrican Professional Hair Beauty Plaza. Looks like this. And the back says, it is actually very simple. We hope you will be happy. So that's the back. Really cute packaging. On the sides, it just says WowAfrican.com. And right here has the barcode and it says beauty to go, and it tells you where to open. Because, you know, some people don't know what they're doing. Honestly, that's me because I didn't know how to open the box when I first got it too, so that's very helpful. All right, so the wig came in this nice little silk pouch. It's like a nice champagne color. It's really cute. It just says WowAfrican.com Professional Hair Beauty Plaza, the same thing that's on the box. And it came in a hairnet, and I don't know what I did with the neck. You know, all wigs, I'm pretty sure everyone knows this, all wigs comes in a little hairnet, nothing spectacular. So yeah, the hair actually came in this plastic bag, and on the plastic bag it says WowAfrican.com, the item number, the hair color, and the length. So this is a 20-inch wig. The hair color is natural, and the item number is GFL29B. If you guys want the exact number, and all that information is also going to be linked down below. The exact link to where I found the wig, and also the video of, I'll probably link down the video of the girl that's actually wearing the wig that's on their website. So also you get this little pouch, and it comes with lashes and extra hairpins that you can sew inside the wig if you need it. So this is what their lashes look like. You know, regular, typical hair lashes that you would get in anything. And like I said, you get the extra clips like that. So also in the box, we get this thank you card from them. Looks like this, really cute gold lettering. Y'all know my favorite color is gold, hence my name. And yeah. So on the back it says, dear customer, we're so glad to have you as a client. Happy holidays from everyone from WowAfrican, at WowAfrican team. May your holidays be filled with joy and laughter through the new year. P.S. Christmas is mostly for children, but adults can enjoy it too until the credit card bills arrive. WowAfrican team, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I got this, the wig was actually delivered to me on December 29th, so you know. I had the wig for a couple of weeks now. This WowAfrican beauty pamphlet, and it just tells you if you want to be featured on the channel, how to earn money, about like if you want to return it, not to cut the lace. Also get some, what are these called? Not rollers, but like, you know, little curler things. I don't know the exact name, I forgot, but you get some of these, which is actually super like smart. So like you don't have to like put heat on them or whatever. Wet your hair, curl it up, take it out the next day, and you're straight. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and talk a little bit about the hair. Like I said, it's natural color. It is 20 inches, so it pretty much stops. So like my waist is right here. I would say a little bit to my waist. I really don't know how to explain it, but it's right here. Super soft hair. I also bleached the knots just a little bit. I didn't know what I was doing, guys. You know, I don't specialize in hair. And I tried to film that, but it just was not working. The bleach was seeping through because I didn't make it thick enough. Yada yada yada. If you want to know how to bleach knots and do all that stuff, check out other people's YouTube videos, because I did not know what I was doing and I wasn't gonna post it. So this is its natural body weight. There's no product in it. I washed it today and let it sit in some conditioner before I glued it on today. And this is what it's like No product. I did just sprinkle a little bit of water on it so that I could wave back up, because I have been brushing it and like finger combing it all day, so it did get a little poofy, but you know, it's just the body wave. It's really cute. I love it. Super soft. The hair is super soft. It doesn't really tangle that much, so you can just run your fingers through it and not really get any tugging or anything like that. I installed it with Gots to Be Glued, the yellow one, and the yellow freeze spray that comes with it or whatever, and it holds pretty snug, as you guys can see. And I just have the front glued, and it just has the adjustable strap in the wig, but the strap is on like the loosest setting, so I usually just be going out there with it just attached in the front. I don't use the clips that's inside. It comes with 3 clips, 1 in the front and 2 on the sides, an adjustable strap, but I don't use them because, like, why if it's gonna be glued to the front of my head, you know. I'm just going to put it all in the back so you guys can see what it looks like. And this is a, I think, wow, I want to say a 150 density wig. All that information is going to be down below because it didn't come in the package, like the density and all that stuff. So all that information is going to be in the description box, especially like the wig style, the wig cap that I got, the size. This is a medium/large cap size. Yeah, it's actually, the wig is really lit. I have no complaints. A lot of people on YouTube have worn WowAfrican wigs and given great reviews on it. So that's really what I went based off of, you know, other people's reviews, and the hair is actually really, really good. Nothing to complain about. It straightens amazing. Like, I'm super lazy when it comes to hair, so what I do, I wash it, I blow dry it, and I just take the flat iron and take chunks and just straighten it, because I'm too lazy to go through and part and do like the whole freaking comb over flat iron method. No, you won't see me doing that, but I just do that, take some chunks and straighten it, and it straightens wonderfully. I love the hair straight. And that's pretty much all I have to say. So that is going to conclude this hair review. So make sure you guys check out them and their, so make sure you guys check out WowAfrican.com and, you know, check out their hair or whatever. Make sure you guys follow all my social medias that'll be listed down below. Check out my other videos and give me a big thumbs up, and also subscribe. So yeah, that is it for this video. So make sure you guys, you know, stay tuned for more. Bye guys.